To prune a kiwi or actinidia, first prune the shrub to clean it up and thin it out. Keep only the most vigorous branches. After that, proceed to a fruit-inducing pruning to get a nicer harvest. Remove portions of dead wood and branches that wrap around each other. Keep the scaffold branches and thin your actinidia. Remove secondary branches that are 4 to 5 years old, more or less every 24 inches. Cut them back to about 6 inches. The goal is to favor branches that will bear fruit in the following years. From the secondary branches, prune the previous year's growth back to only 2 or 3 eyes. These will bear fruit during the year.